Well, my name is Chandler Robbins, and I'm 94 years old. I worked for 60 years for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and U.S. Geological Survey doing work on birds, primarily migratory birds. If I seem to be distracted at any time, it's because something flew by that I was interested in. Actually, I've, as of this year, participated in 412 Christmas counts. I was just watching a black vulture going by. Christmas counts started in the year 1900 by a gentleman at the American Museum of Natural History by the name of Frank Chapman. There was at that time a practice of people having competitions on Christmas Day, going out to not observe wildlife, but to go out with a gun and see what they could bring back as trophies. Well, Dr. Chapman didn't like that idea. He thought that maybe we can use the manpower resource for something useful, like counting birds in a certain area, reporting the details of the count, and build up a huge database so that we could find out what's going on in the world around us. He would take any opportunity to do what he can to protect wildlife. Sorry, a bird went by. If we did not have Christmas counts from the early years, we would have no firm grasp on what's happened to the bird populations over these years, because a lot of the changes take place gradually. There's 14 species we've had so far. By participating in something like the Christmas Bird Count and realizing you're doing it simultaneously with thousands of other people.
What's he saying?
That's a fish crow.
Okay. That's the guy I was hearing earlier that sounded like a duck.
You can't help but begin to develop some feeling for the wildlife you're observing. So you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to have a professional degree. It's worthwhile because it contributes to a national, international database, and because it's good health-wise, too. Actually known people from every year of the Christmas Bird Count. Made a lot of friends that way.